Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. For today's video, we are going to show you how to set sale prices for products with a variance in Shopify. We believe it is a great way to offer discounts and boost sales on your e-commerce store. But before we dive into all of it, make sure you hit the subscribe button below and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest content. Okay, one of the most significant advantages is that setting sale prices can help boost your sales because customers are often attracted to discounts and promotions. So we all know that offering sale prices on variant products can encourage more purchases. All right. So now I'm on Shopify.com. I'm using Google Chrome, but if you're using other browsers such as Microsoft Edge, Safari, Opera, Firefox, and Brave, it's okay. And if you don't have an account on Shopify yet, this is the perfect time to sign up for one. Okay. And once you've already created your account, log in with their credentials and go to the dashboard. On the dashboard, you might want to go to products. Okay. Since we don't have a live product yet, why not we add our own? Okay. Say, for example, this one, this is our live product for now. Okay. Say we wanted to offer it 24 uh hold on, let me just check this one. Say YouTube video. So this is the most important part right here to add variant, right? So let's say this is like $10, right? You see the variants here, okay? Let's say special promo here, okay? So you can add value to your promo. And let's say you want to offer a 20% discount on all sizes of t-shirt. To do that, just simply click the edit button right here. Okay. And next to the variant, you want to apply the sale price off, right? So that's how basically you set sale prices for products with variants in Shopify. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope this video is helpful. I'll see you in the next one.